Access different app stores on your Apple devices. Change the App Store country or region on iPhone and iPad from the App Store. Open the App Store. Tap your profile picture in the top right and select your name. You may need to sign in with your Apple ID and password. Select Country, Region. Tap Change Country or Region and choose the new country or region and follow the instructions. From the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your device. Tap your name at the top. Go to Media and Purchases, then select View Account. Tap Country, Region, and then Change Country or Region. Choose the country you want from the list and follow the instructions. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Change the App Store country or region on Mac. From the App Store, open the Mac App Store. Click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. In the top right corner, click on the Account Settings option. If prompted, sign in using your Apple ID and password. In the Apple ID Summary section, click on Change Country or Region. Open the drop-down list and select the new country you want to switch to. Follow the instructions on the screen. From System Settings, click the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Select your name on the sidebar. Then, go to Media and Purchases. Now, click the Manage button next to Account. If prompted, sign in using your Apple ID and password. Click Change Country or Region. Open the drop-down list and then select a new country. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.